Hello guys, welcome to the chapter, Creating Your Videos. In this lesson, we're going to talk about planning your content. Let's get started. Creating video content must be well prepared. Don't just post content for the sake of having content inside your Facebook page. Your video content must make sense to your followers so that you can attract more people to follow you every time your posts get shared, attracting more people outside your network. Before you create your video to be posted on your Facebook page, you need to be aware of the purpose and the reason behind creating the videos. First, you need to know who are you making the videos for. This will depend on your brand's niche. If your brand is focused on women's makeup, then you are showing your video content to women who love and routinely apply makeup on their faces. If your brand is focused on office furniture, then your video content is helpful for people who work in the office or at home. Next, you need to know the purpose of why you are creating the video. If you know the why behind the creation of your video, then it will be clear as to what your video content will contain. You won't be struggling with what topic to show in your video since you already know the purpose of the video that you're creating. You must choose the purpose of your video every time you post your content on your Facebook page. You can choose to entertain people with your videos, educate them, tell a story, then create a video intended to sell. You don't have to choose one purpose for the video content that your Facebook page will contain. It's okay to choose one purpose that will dominate your Facebook page content. But once in a while, it is good to add variety in your content so that people won't get bored with the same purpose of your video content. Your video content will depend on the nature of your brand or your business. If you're in the fitness and health niche, like on this example page, you can post video content to showcase your products. You can educate people about the features of your product, how it is different from other brands, and what are the benefits of your product so that people will get an urge to get that product into their hands. You are educating them, and at the same time, you are telling them how good your product is and they need it. If they liked it and realized that they need it in their workouts in the gym, then they are more likely to purchase it. Also, you can post video content that will inspire people to make time to exercise and work out. That way, they will know that your brand is giving out value compared to other brands in your niche. Some brands share content that teaches people how to work out every part of their body. This is much more useful for people who want to know more about what and how they can do the workout on their own. You can post video content that will entertain people, like a short video about your brand, some behind-the-scene videos, or an event your brand is in. This can attract more viewers to watch your video. Videos are more likely to be viewed on your Facebook page. It is more effective in reaching more people, getting more views and engagement. As a marketer or business owner, you must plan your content ahead of time. Now that you know about planning your content, we can now proceed to the next topic, getting video ideas. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about getting video ideas. Let's get started. Content creators must be consistent in publishing content on Facebook, especially videos. The more content you produce, the more people are going to go to your page and discover your videos, increasing your video views and reach. Although at some point, you might run out of video ideas. So how can you make sure that you can post video content consistently on your Facebook page and be able to promote your brand and business? First, study your capabilities. One way to get video ideas is to assess your capabilities. You can make a checklist of what your strengths are, and doing this will help you study what talents you have or your abilities. Assessing your capabilities will allow you to discover more topics that you can make as your video content and share that to your viewers. This can add value to your brand, and you'll be able to share video content that your audience would love to view. So ask yourself, what can you produce that you can show in your video content? Next, check your target audience. Depending on your niche, you will have different target audiences that you can study. You can browse your target audience's profile, and doing this will let you see and learn what your audiences would like to view. You can discover some of their pain points, interests, and that could make a good video content. You can search for the post they engaged in. They might be asking how to make something or how to resolve a problem, and that is a good idea for a topic. Make a list of what your target audiences would like to see. Next, ask around. You can ask your friends, as these people already know you. They can be straightforward in telling you what video ideas they're interested in viewing. You can also send private messages to your target audiences and ask them directly what video content they would love to see from your brand or business. Introduce yourself and the purpose of your conversation. That way, people can be aware why you are sending them a message. Most of the time, people only want to receive messages from the people they know and follow. Use Facebook Stories to create a poll. If you have gathered a list of what you can create as your video content on your page, you can pick a few from the list. You can create a poll for at least 2 to 3 video topic ideas from your list. Create a poll for each topic, since the available options for your audiences to choose from are yes or no. Then compare the percentages of the poll and see what topic gets the highest rating. Then the topic that has the highest rating can be your next video content that you can work on. If you have a Facebook group, you can have tons of members who are already interested in what you offer. Groups are a great way to gather people in the same niche. On your Facebook group, you can create a poll asking people about certain topics that you have gathered. The good thing about polls in groups is that you can add a poll option for people so that they can suggest another option of their own. Next, spy on your competitors. You can check out your competitors' page and see what their recent promotions are, their video content, and the topics that they cover. You can get video ideas from your competitors. Next, study influencers. Influencers have tons of followers since they have already built their online presence for a few years now. Their strategy works, and they have tons of video content that they have already published. You can browse through their content and see which among their video content you can add to your list of ideas. You can also prioritize content with the most views and engagement. Next, check businesses outside Facebook. You can look at news sites or magazines that are related to your niche. You can discover topics that they publish, and you can add that to your list. Also, you can look at e-commerce websites like Amazon.com to find the latest products or the most popular products in your niche. Then you can make videos around those products. If you want people to know more about your brand, you must show Facebook that you're always posting and sharing content on your Facebook page. You should do this consistently. So always keep a list of video ideas that you can make for your future content. Now that you know about getting video ideas, we can now proceed to the next topic, an introduction to finding the right tools for your video. I'll see you there. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about an introduction to finding the right tools for your video. Let's get started. It is important to have the right equipment and tools for your video to help you create stunning videos that you can edit on your computer. Most of the time, people choose videos to watch depending on their quality. You can invest on good equipment and tools that you will need for creating your video content. Choosing the right equipment and tools for your video content will depend on your budget and what type of videos you're going to produce. For video content where you feature yourself talking about a certain topic and giving tips to your audience, or if you're doing vlogs, you can use your smartphone camera. This is great if you're starting and you're still saving for a good quality video camera. You just need a good microphone that you can plug into your mobile phone. There are different mic choices that you can choose from. Again, it depends on your budget and the purpose of your video. You can find cheaper lavalier microphones online that will give you good audio if you're going to shoot videos where you need to talk more. DSLRs are great too for recording videos where you need to talk to your audience. This will produce high-quality videos compared to some smartphone cameras. DSLRs have good audio quality, so there's no need to purchase an external mic, but if you want to capture high-quality audio, then invest on a good microphone that is compatible with your DSLR. If you're going to use DSLRs, then you must have a tripod. This will help you capture steady videos, and you can record yourself talking in front of your camera even if you're a few feet away. For video content where you're making how-to videos to show off a skill like cooking, you can set up your equipment so that you can shoot a steady video and record at different angles. You can use your smartphone camera or a DSLR camera and set it up on a tripod. You may notice video content creators who are showing off how to cook certain recipes place their camera at a top view angle where the viewers can easily see the ingredients and the process of cooking the recipe. For videos that will show screencasts or tutorials, you need a screen capturing tool to record your computer screen. You can use video screen capturing software like Camtasia. You can also find apps that you can use for free. Camtasia allows you to record your computer screen so that you can show people how-to videos, and it also allows you to edit your videos as well. Once you've recorded your videos using your equipment, you need to store them properly in a portable hard drive or your computer storage. The videos that you have recorded will have a high file size, so having extra portable storage can help save your videos so that you can also have a backup for your files. Once you've got all your files from your video shoot, you need to use a video editor so you can add some text, effects, trim unnecessary parts, and render your videos. You can choose from different video editor apps that you can download online. Some have free trials so that you can see if you like the app's features or not. There are free apps like Blender or Lightworks. These apps can help you create videos that look professional. You don't have to hire a video editor to create stunning videos for your video content. For editing videos that need some animation, you can do it using an app called Toon Boom. For mobile editing, you can use apps like KineMaster Pro for Android or Filmmaker Pro for iOS. As you can see, the equipment that you will need depends on what type of video you're going to produce. You don't have to shell out your savings to buy high-end equipment for your video content. You can use what you have, like your smartphone camera, to film your video content. Camera equipment from popular brands can be expensive. If you have the budget, then you can purchase DSLRs. This will give you higher-quality videos than a smartphone camera. Then you can add microphones, tripod, extra storage for your video files, and the tools for recording screen capture and video editing software.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.